Rainbows are a stunning natural phenomenon that results from the refraction, dispersion, and reflection of sunlight in water droplets. The physics behind rainbow formation involves the bending of light as it enters and exits the water droplets, causing the spectrum of colors to become visible to the observer. This is a result of the different wavelengths of light being bent at different ages, creating the iconic arc of colors in the sky. White light is a combination of all the colors in the visible spectrum. When white light passes through a prism, it separates into its component colors, illustrating the presence of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet wavelengths. Understanding the process of refraction involves comprehending how light bends as it passes through different mediums, such as air, water, or glass. This bending of light is due to the change in its speed and direction, which causes the phenomenon of refraction. Raindrops play a crucial role in the formation of rainbows. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it is refracted and dispersed into its component colors, creating the beautiful spectrum of a rainbow. Primary rainbows are formed when sunlight is reflected inside raindrops, and then refracted again as it exits the raindrop. This creates a single, bright rainbow with red on the outer edge and violet on the inner edge. The size and intensity of a rainbow are influenced by the size of raindrops, with larger raindrops producing a more prominent and vivid rainbow. Supernumerary rainbows are a beautiful and rare optical phenomenon that occur when small droplets of water diffract sunlight, resulting in multiple bands of pastel-colored light adjacent to the main rainbow. These additional bands often appear as faint, parallel stripes of pink, green, and blue, creating a surreal and enchanting display in the sky. Understanding rainbow formation is important in various applications such as meteorology, photography, and optics. It helps in predicting weather patterns, capturing stunning photographs, and studying the dispersion of light.